They said my mama left me the same day that she had me. Just hit the road and never once looked back. I just like to mention my grandma's oldest pension is the reason why I'm standing here today. I got all my country learning, milking and churning, picking cotton, raising hay, and milling hay. I've been to Georgia on a fast train, honey. I wasn't born there yesterday. Got a first with grazing and a 8th grade education, and I'm eating y'all to treat me this way. Look out. Sweet Carolina, I don't think I'll ever find a girl that's put together like you are. Like a wiggle in your walking and your sweetie sitting talking, and your brand new name and you say God. Just hurry up and wait in this land of give and take. Seems like wasting makes my pennies in time. I swear to my soul when I hear those angels roll, you know I'm gonna get my share of Jeremiah. I've been to Georgia on a fast train, honey. I wasn't born yesterday. Got a good consideration and a great education. Ain't no need y'all to treat me this way. Georgia on a fast train, honey. I wasn't born till yesterday. Got a good consideration and a great education. Ain't no need to treat me this way. Ain't no need to treat me this way. Thank you.
You notice how we set that up for the grand entrance?